Have you ever wondered why 99% of fashion embellishments and accessories like flowers are imported in most African countries like Nigeria? Floral embellishments have become a timeless trend in fashion design and decoration. Just like natural flowers, they're loved, valued, and widely embraced across the global fashion industry. Today, they have more seriously disrupted the fashion industry to the extent that they are not only used for garments, hats, and things like that but are now fully embraced in the making of bespoke viral jewelries and other products some of us might not call to mind. But seeing the lucrative nature and high demand for this product, why are there so few local businesses taking this lucrative craft seriously, making their potential customers depend more on foreign supplies? Hey, face the hard truth. It's extremely time-consuming and labor-intensive to produce these items by hand. They're small, detail-driven, and often needed in large quantities, and that's where the challenge lies. For many creatives, the slow pace of handmade production becomes a limitation, making it hard to scale up or meet constant huge demands. That's why, for years, many businesses within Nigeria and beyond have relied heavily on imported floral appliqués, produced in places with advanced bulk systems that are too difficult to replicate in underdeveloped regions. But in more developed countries like China, some businesses in this field are thriving because of two main reasons. 1. They utilize efficient and simplified technology to speed up production and reduce costs compared to their competitors. 2. They focus on simple and fewer high-demand designs, and share the tasks like cutting, forming, and selling among different businesses. This level of focus, simplicity, and structure helps their products dominate global markets. This is why we have shifted from typical flower making to focus attention on producing ready-made, precision-cut appliques that help other creatives like you succeed without burnout, because we've invested in foreign improved equipment so that you can focus on turning the simple appliques into useful accessories. With this provision, bulk production and supply of fashion accessories will no longer be a big challenge to you because the labor and cost of doing everything have been shared. To begin, we've developed 5 unique products designed to help fashion and craft businesses work smarter and grow faster. Number 1. Craft circles. These are versatile base shapes representing single petals. They are very useful for making varieties of simple to complex fabric flowers. They're also great as standalone design elements for other fashion and craft products, helping you save time and improve consistency when you're dealing with multiple circular forms. Number 2. Heart rose petals. These are uniquely shaped, 5-sided heart-like petals. They can be used directly as dress appliques or quickly transformed into native-style roses in just a few simple steps. With this, it's very possible for a single person to make over 300 pieces of fabric flowers in one day, just as you see in the video. Number 3. Mini embossed flowers. These multi-purpose, tiny, charming flowers serves multiple purposes and are ideal for making varieties of world-class and enchanting kids' fashion accessories, and also fitting to embellish different adult female wearables. Number 4. Butterfly appliques. These are meant to add extra sparkle, charm, and fun to any design. Next to flowers, butterflies are now trending in the world of accessories and are perfect for designing garments, hair accessories, and more. Number 5. Fabric leaves. These are the perfect finishing touch to your floral arrangements. They add contrast, movement, and a natural feel to your designs, bringing everything to life. This is not all there is, because we're bringing in more designs in future and also make room for customization. So if you're into making fashion wearables, accessories, or relative craft products in mass, understand that using pre-cut DIY appliques is the best means to gain speed, consistency, and beauty, without the stress of manual cutting or buying automatic cutting devices that are usually very expensive. You also stand at a great advantage of creating with these products because you're the one recognized for turning them into regular valuables that so many people desire. So if you're ready to scale up your fashion or craft business, this is a big sign that you're in the right place, because we support you beyond just supplying materials. We do this by providing: first, a lifetime weekly free tutorial and inspirations to our active customers to teach and show you varieties of very profitable and high-end accessories to make from our supplies. Secondly, we offer simple and practical marketing tips to particularly support your craft business when you need help improving your sales. Thirdly, we support mutual collaboration by featuring your designs, cross-promoting your work, and helping you build your customer base when you create with our products. And lastly, if you ever need help with customization, which can take time and extra cost, we've found ways to simplify the process within our creative community. So if you're watching this video from outside our community, head over to our site to explore our collections and join our creative circle. Click the link in our bio or comment site to access our products, free tutorials, and special deals. Your journey to a smarter, stress-free and more profitable creative business starts here.